to our YouTube channel. So today we have another installation day in Trofeo Motorsports, and what we are currently working on is right over there. So we have a 911 992 Carrera S. It's in for our Akrapovic exhaust upgrade. So what we have here is the Akrapovic titanium slip-on race line system for the 992 Carrera S, and this is a full titanium exhaust system. We'll talk about the exhaust later, and also have some brief talking about what the car has done. As you can see, there's a bit of modifications that our client has done on his Carrera S, and also some technical talks about the specs of this beautiful GT Silver 992 Carrera S. So this is the factory exhaust, the rear section that we taken out from the Carrera S, and of course, being made out of steel material, it's extremely heavy. Also, it has lots of restrictions on the muffler itself. That's why with this factory exhaust, the car doesn't sound loud at all. On the other side, we have the Akrapovic titanium slip-on race line system. And it's made out of titanium material, so it's extremely lightweight that you can see. I can easily lift it up with one hand. According to Akrapovic, this titanium slip-on race line system weighs about 8.4 kilograms lighter compared to the factory system, and that's about 59.8% lighter if you compare it to the factory rear section. So of course, with the Akrapovic titanium slip-on race line installed, you will get the sound and also the proper weight reduction with this setup. As for the valves operation, it's going to be complied with the factory control, whereby we transfer this valve actuator motors from the factory exhaust and bolt on directly onto the Akrapovic system, so that you can have the valves operation according to the drive mode settings, and also the exhaust button that appears on the screen inside the cabin. This Akrapovic titanium tailpipes that comes along with the slip-on race line package is constructed out of titanium material, and it looks absolutely amazing with the Akrapovic logo crafted on the tailpipes. So later, we'll remove the factory tailpipes out from the rear bumper and replace with this beautiful Akrapovic titanium tailpipes. Obviously, this one has a lot better design compared to the factory tailpipes, and with the visible Akrapovic logo on the tailpipes, it will definitely looks amazing. For our client's 992 Carrera, we won't be replacing the dowel pipes as for now, because our client, he actually doesn't want to tune the car. So these are the factory dowel pipes with the catalytic converters and of course the particulate filters that exist on the Carrera S, which restricts a lot of sound and also the performance on the car. So definitely this has to go off in future when our client is ready for a stage 2 tune. For now, we'll just remain the factory dowel pipes, but we will just replace the center section with our Akrapovic titanium slip-on race line system. Okay, so now we have already installed the Akrapovic titanium slip-on race line system on our client's 992 Carrera S, and now we are going to start up the car. So this is the cold start of how this Akrapovic system sounds on the Carrera S. as you can see, our client's 992 Carrera S is finished off in this very iconic GT silver color. As for the wheels and brakes, so the brakes, this car does comes with the optional PCCB. So you can see that the calipers are finished off in yellow color with the ceramic brake disc. Then the wheels, these are actually the optional RS Spider design wheels for the Carrera. 20-inch on the front and 21-inch on the rear. To the rear, we can see that there is a Techart carbon rear spoiler that has been installed on the Carrera S by our client. So with this rear spoiler installed on the car, it totally changes the looks from the rear. As you may know, the rear spoiler on the standard Carrera are actually retractable. So with this Techart rear wing installed, it is a fixed position rear wing. So this piece, the whole piece, does not move actually. One of the most interesting options that has on this Carrera S is that the car has this optional carbon fiber roof. So there's not many of the Carreras have this option, and that's why makes this Carrera S a quite special unit, since it comes with the optional lightweight carbon fiber roof. Now we will have a look on the interior of this Carrera S. So this is how the interior of the Carrera S looks like. You can see the dashboard, the steering. These are leather as standard, and it does have this GT silver stitchings all around the dashboard area to match with the car's body color. And also this car does have the sport exhaust. So on the infotainment screen, you can actually see there's an exhaust system button on the screen whereby you can click on it to turn on and off the exhaust valve. But if in case you doesn't use the exhaust button, you can always use the Sport or Sport Plus mode. Also, the valve's operation can be controlled by the drive modes through this button. So when you twist and put it into Sport mode or Sport Plus, so when you put the car into Sport mode, it automatically turn on the exhaust valves, and when you're in the normal mode, it closes up the valves. Besides controlling the exhaust valves through the drive mode, you can actually select on the exhaust button itself, because this car does comes with the sport exhaust. So there's an exhaust button on the infotainment screen. The seats are finished off in leather and also with the GT silver stitchings all around in order to match with the body color. Then on the center console area, there's some carbon fiber parts on it. Also, our client's Carrera S has the optional lifter button on here, so you can actually lift up the car and lift it down whenever you need. The illuminated door sills are finished off in matte carbon fiber finishing. Also on the door panel itself, these are all leather with the GT silver stitchings and a little bit of carbon fiber trim. And that's it, we have completed the installation of Akrapovic titanium slip-on race line system on this beautiful GT Silver 992 Carrera S. And also we did include some beautiful rolling shots of the car that we did for our client. So let us know in the comment section below what you think about the Akrapovic slip-on race line exhaust. How does it sound without changing the downpipe? So this car is basically just the rear section, remain the factory catalytic converters. Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.